Hi Nearlyweds, I'm Susan Sutherland, president of Just Marry, and with Memorial Day just behind us, we decided it would be a good time to upload a video on how to memorialize loved ones at your wedding. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you're going to know about our favorite ways to memorialize friends and family at our weddings. And also, we're going to give you the opportunity to download a free guide on what you can do to make loved ones who have passed still feel like their presence is felt on the wedding day. The most traditional way to honor someone on your wedding day is to create a beautiful memorial table. You can include framed photos of your loved one, along with a sweet saying like, "We know you would be here today if heaven wasn't so far away." Another great way to memorialize a loved one is to include them in your unity candle ceremony. You could light an additional candle during the ceremony, put a hurricane glass over it, or place it inside a lantern, and then transfer it to your reception to keep it burning throughout the entire wedding. You can even get this candle personalized to say the name of your loved one, along with a simple photo or graphic such as a heart. We also love the idea of reserving a special seat for your loved one during your ceremony. You could place a flower or a photo on this chair to pay sweet tribute to them. You could also hang a little sign across the front of the chair back to pay further homage. The sign could say something simple like, "In loving memory of." My personal favorite way to pay tribute to a person who's passed at the wedding is to carry a little token of theirs with you. Whether this is a small photo of them in a locket or another item that reminds you of them, you can pin a photo of your loved one into your bouquet or boutonniere, or even sew their name or a photo inside your dress or suit jacket. This is a sweet and sentimental way to have a piece of them with you on your special day. We hope you enjoyed this video on ways to memorialize your loved ones at your wedding. If you have any tips, please feel free to mention them in the comments below. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and like and subscribe. That's all for now, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.